Hey guys, we're going to be updating our video on how to do a burnout. This time we're going to do some actual video instead of a slideshow like I did a long time ago. That was when YouTube first came out, and I think we can do it better. Got Nadertron over here for the side view. We're going to get in here. This is a 2007 Dodge Ram 4x2, which is two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, V8 with a 5.7 liter Hemi. It's automatic. You got your gas and your brake, or your acceleration and your brake pedal. So in the video it says the first thing to do is to make sure you're on a flat, pretty clean level surface. Now this is a little wet. I guess it had rained a little bit. The truck is running. We have our accelerator pedal and our brake pedal. So you'll put your left foot on the brake pedal, and you'll accelerate with your other foot. And what you'll do, just move it straight down in the drive, and you'll let up on your left foot, your brake foot, as you're pushing down with your accelerator pedal. Now he's going to be recording on the outside as I do this, and you should see it start to spin for you. Alright, so when you're doing this burnout, you got your foot on the accelerator and your left foot on the brake. So when you start letting off the brake and you start hitting the accelerator, you want to also keep an eye on your RPMs. You see where it says 7 and 8 up there and it's red? That's too high. You definitely want to stay in a lower RPM. And if you're just getting up too high, don't even think about doing it. Ain't no sense in running your engine. Doing burnouts, yeah, they're fun, but they are not good for your vehicle. Alright, I know what you are thinking. That was a Hemi. Anybody can do a burnout with a Hemi. It's got plenty of horsepower. What about this baby here? 130 horse. Before all the maintenance was due. This thing maybe gets 100 horsepower. But we ready to do some burnout. Now, like I said before, you're watching out for old smoke and bubble gum, please. Flat level surface, dry preferably. Front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, big horsepower, little horsepower. Foot on the gas, foot on the brake. Watch your RPMs. Let off the brake. Down the gas. Oh, come on, we gotta do it. Has a rev limiter. This car ain't gonna do it. Unless you're messing my theory up. That's just driving. That's just driving. Well, I guess if you have a rev limiter, you're not going to be doing any burnout. So, you can also do something I don't recommend, which is called a neutral drop. Copy the neutral, rev it up. Alright, we're going to try it again. Got traction control turned off. The rev lever still won't let it go above 2,000 RPM. So, we're going to pull this emergency brake, which I know it needs emergency brakes. We're going to see if we can't get it to do something. Ready?